Women, your time is limited, whether you believe it or you don't believe it. And that is why every wise woman will not waste her time, her finances, her energy, her prayers on a useless man, on a man that does not have an assignment, a man that does not take you as a priority, a man that does not see you as a priority. He only sees you as an option. A lot of women time has been wasted. And when your time is wasted as a woman, you regret it at the end of the day. Some of you have given birth for idiots. Some of you have given birth for people who don't have sense. Senseless. The worst thing you can do as a woman is to give a child to a useless man. To open your leg for use. Many of you have involved yourself with immature men, adults in babies in adult body. You have to go for a man that sees the best in you, that sees the potential in you, that wants to help you to bring out your dreams. Go for a man that every time you see that man, you bless the name of God for having him in your life. Go for a man that every time you see that man, something inside of you pop, the joy inside of you is unspeakable. Every time you see him,